How can we submit then yung one with the OBP para matingnan namin? What was the last date nung MOA niyo?
2022.
O pag-submit po para tingnan natin. Mr. Chairman, we invite all the tellers involved.
Would you please submit the names, the list of the names of the tellers to the council? Okay.
Mr. Chair, last lang po.
Yes.
Ma'am, the transaction happens when?
Yung isa po, first check 2022 and the rest na 3 checks 2023.
Ito po, 2022?
Yes.
How much is the 2022 transaction?
125 million.
Then, yung 2023?
3 checks po, 125 each transaction.
125 each transaction. So, yung 2022, yung 125 each transaction. Tama? Okay. Now, ma'am, ganito, 125, ma'am, ilang, ano yan? Ilang luggage yan? Sabihin
Mr.
natin.
Chair, ano po, duffel bag daw po.
Duffel bag?
Opo.
Oh,
Gym bag.
Gym bag. Gym bag.
Gym bag.
Gym bag? So my hit, that's around 30 million per bag?
More or less, Mr. Chair.
And then, more or less. Oh, yeah, now. That was 2023, di ba? Okay. Ito na po, ma'am. From the teller, sinong bitbit palabas? Of course, sa sasakyan niya, no? Ni Acosta, di ba? Sinong bumitbit?
Client po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Client po.
Client?
May nag-assist po kay Ms. Gina.
Na client, not your,
No.
not your personnel. Sigurado ka?
Yes.
Now, ganito lang, Mr. Chair, can we issue a subpoena at doon si STECO with regards to the CCTV during the time? Mama, tandaan nyo, may record kayo dyan. Involving that transaction, Mr. Chairman, para makita natin kung nandun talaga si Acosta, wala. Because this happens, ma'am, in some of transaction being made by government agencies. And it was also investigated in my committee. Pakisabit po yung transaction niya 2022 at saka 2023, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second. Mr. Chair.
Objection, hearing that the motion is carried.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congress.
Yes.
J.J. Suarez.
Curious lang ako dito sa pagbubuhat ng
Duffel bag.
Concept, meron kasi ako na hirap ng duffel bag dito. Pakita mo nga kung ito yung ganito kalaki yung duffel bag. Mama, ganyan kalaki? Hindi, so ganyan kalaki o mas malaki din? Yung bag po na galing sa OVP o galing sa land bank?
Dala po ni client.
So dala po nila yung bag. So handa na po sila para kunin yung pera.
Yes, Mr.
So ilang milyon kada bag ang nailalagay?
Sila po kasi yung nag-insert na po dun sa bag, naglagay sa bag. From the teller, i-release po ng teller, sila na po ang nag-divide dun sa bag.
Without the supervision of land bank or under the supervision of land bank?
Witness pa rin po ng nag-release na teller.
So thank you that you invited the teller. Now question, I can imagine kung apat na bag yun, 125 divided by 4, more or less would be around 30, 35. So my math isn't so good. Kaso lang, I would imagine, mabigat po yun. So ilang tao ang kinikailangan, mga 31 million, no? 31 million. So ilang tao ang napansin ninyo na bumubuhat ng isang bag?
As far po na-remember po.
Pakilapit po.
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, dalawa.
So dalawa kada bag.
Mr. Chair, very quick interjection. Quick interjection.
Congressman Guerrero.
Ilang kilo po ang 35 million, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ko po ma-estimate, Mr.
I'm sorry, Congressman Guerrero, I'm not in a position to answer that. No? But actually, that was my point kasi kung mabigat po yun, I would imagine. So kung 2 tao kada bag, 4 na bag, yun po ay binabalikan ng 2 tao o more than 2 people accompany Ms. Acosta to withdraw the cash?
More than 2 people.
More than 2. So are you saying 4? How many individuals?
More or less po sa pagka-remember ko.
O, kasi nung tinitingnan ko po, Ms. Sanchez, how long have you been working with Ms. Gina Acosta?
Since I joined the OPP,
Ms. Sanchez, yeah.
since I joined the OPP, Mr. Chair,
How would you describe her build? Is she as tall as you are? Kasi tangkad mo ba siya? Medyo payat? Ano po ang pangangatawan ng Miss Gina Acosta? Hindi ko pa po kasi nakikita ito.
similar to my build, Mr. Chair, pero baka mas mayat po.
Mas payat. At kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, more or less, ilang taon na po si Miss Gina Acosta?
Mr. Chair, I will just check yung date of birth for the
What about you, Attorney Lopez? You've been working with Gina Acosta for quite a number of years. How old is Miss Gina Acosta?
Your Honor, I would suppose not yet 60, but maybe 50, mid-50.